What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following me, we did a sick Karma wide body build on this BRZ. Now it's time to take it all apart, start wrapping on it. So I'm gonna give you a time lapse of everything, taking it all apart because it's kind of boring. So let's hit the time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so the kit is off. I mean, it's pretty easy to take off. There's only like 8 pieces. It's not like a Rocket Bunny or something where there's just millions of pieces to take off. So I'm gonna start getting everything prepped, ready for wrapping, get this car cleaned up. I'm gonna need to touch up a few things onto the kit before I start actually wrapping it. I need to cut some of the things off, and then we can start wrapping it up. Let's go. Wrapped up, everything's set. Got all my decals put on it. It turned out amazing. I love it. Love the color on it. It looks so nice with the color scheme going on with it. Stay tuned because we still got boost in this thing. Still got to put my backseat delete in and a couple of other things with it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, keep the notifications on, and let's get to showing it. Let's see it. Wait, not yet.